U.S. President Joe Biden said U.S. forces would defend Taiwan in the event of a Chinese invasion, his most explicit statement so far on the issue, something sure to anger Beijing. Asked in an interview broadcast on Sunday whether U.S. forces would defend the self-ruled island claimed by China, he replied, "Yes, if in fact, there was an unprecedented attack." Asked to clarify if he meant that unlike in Ukraine, U.S. forces, American men and women, would defend Taiwan, Biden replied, "Yes." The interview was just the latest time that Biden has appeared to go beyond long-standing stated U.S. policy on Taiwan. But his statement was clearer than previous ones about committing U.S. troops to defend the island. The United States has long stuck to a policy of strategic ambiguity and not making clear whether it would respond militarily to an attack on Taiwan. Asked to comment, a White House spokesperson said the president has said this before, including in Tokyo earlier this year. He also made clear then that our Taiwan policy hasn't changed. That remains true.